So if you have Dewalt tools like I do, and they take the 20-volt max battery like I have here, these are a perfect replacement for them. So when you get it, what you're going to get is two batteries. These are 20 volts. These are 4 amp hours. Now this is a DCB 203. Now if you have a DCB 201, 3, 4, 5, and 6, they're all going to work with this charger. And they all work with these tools also, because I just want to show you they slip in, I mean, perfect. Like, I'm not having to force it. I've had some batteries where you're just trying to push it in there, but this doesn't. This is just like the original. This works great. I like having 2 extra batteries because if I run out of one, I've got the other one on the charger and I'm ready to go. Now it does come with a charger. This charger is actually good for 12 volt, 14, 20, and 60. So it works with all those different voltages. So if you have some 20 volt max, and you also have some 40 for the bigger tools, this is definitely going to work with it. I love that it fits in there just perfect, works with all my tools. And what's cool too is, as you can see here, I mean, they look almost identical. They match my whole setup, the yellow on the black, so you can't beat it. And also when you put the batteries in here, they just slide in. We got a light here letting me know everything's getting charged up. And on the batteries themselves, on the front, you press this button and it lets you know if it's all charged up or not. Now my old battery here, it doesn't have an indicator letting me know how much power is in here. So I never know how good it is until it actually runs out. But with this, I know all the time. 2 batteries and a charger. I mean, you can't beat it. Hope you found this review helpful.